let's clear the air and talk about stock photography in 2024. I get some comments once in a while that I could see how they're not really understanding what stock photography is, or anything in the creator economy for that matter. YouTube, stock photography, all of this is very similar because we're creating things for who knows whom. We make things hoping that somebody watches the video, or we take photos hoping that someone's gonna buy that photo. We don't know who our client is, who our customers are. We're creating things because that's what we like doing. Now, before we start, I want to thank all of you channel members for your support. Carmen, welcome to the group. I really do appreciate every single one of you because, as you'll see, this is not as easy as many people think it is. But thank you very much for all your support. And as a channel member, if you have any questions, any particular video topic that you're interested in, I'll do my best to put something out there. Let's go back to the creator economy. Normal people don't understand what this is because it is completely opposite. We make things hoping that someone's gonna buy them. I make videos hoping that someone's gonna watch them. So we do this not knowing who we're selling things to. I don't even sell anything yet. So we create things in the hopes, and hope is an important thing here. We create things hoping things will change and more people will watch the videos, more people will buy my stock images. We create things with the idea that later on I'm gonna get some money back for the investment up front. This is very different from traditional jobs where you work, you get paid. YouTube, stock photography, we work, later we get the reward. Or as instead of last week's video, we work, because this is the reward. Now, one of the best pieces of advice, one of the best tips I can give you if you're in the creator economy is to branch out. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do as many things as you can to put more revenue options up there so you can make money from multiple places. Like I shoot stock, I do YouTube, I still have my clients, I do a lot of things so I have multiple streams of income, so when one dries out or one changes, I still have other ones helping me and supporting me. For example, I've been doing YouTube now for 4 years. 4 years, every week I put a new YouTube video out there. I think I missed 1 week in 4 years. That's a couple hundred videos. Now remember, I have 2 channels, one in English, one in Spanish. So every video I make, I film it twice and I edit it twice. So you can see how much time this takes, planning the video, going out and shooting the video, processing the video, finding the photos, finding the things that I can relate to you. It's not just anything I want to do or things that I think are gonna bring some value to the channel. Now, you would think I'd be swimming in cash. The reality is I'm making more from Adobe stock, from photos I took 10 years ago, 15 years ago, than what I'm making with YouTube today, 4 years later. Again, I see the potential and this is great. Seeing the potential, having hopes and aspirations is great, but it's also very dangerous. I personally don't shoot stock photography full time because my life situation changed. Years ago I have a home studio and I would go and take photos. I would do 30 to 40 hours a week, taking stock photos, editing photos, uploading photos. Today, maybe I do 5 hours a week, mostly because of the examples I want to bring here to YouTube. So if you have a camera, you have a way to use this camera, put it to work. Put out different branches out there, real estate photography, product photography, portrait photography, and then add stock photography as another branch, another income stream. If you have a camera that can do video, try maybe a YouTube channel, do stock footage, do video for different clients. These can be very simple and generate you more money so you're not dependent on only one of those income streams. Now, again, as a YouTube creator, I want to thank everybody that uses my Amazon affiliate links. There's the link down below that will take you to my camera. It doesn't matter what you buy with that link, I will get a commission. And this is not only me, every YouTuber out there has the same thing because it's another revenue stream. It doesn't cost any more out of your pocket. If you're gonna buy something on Amazon, it's just the extra clicks to get to the product that you want. But I really do appreciate everybody that's using those links because that's another branch that's helping me out there. Anyway, back to stock photography. Most of my images sell for 10 cents to $3. My average across all agencies, I use 9 agencies, is about $1 per photo. That's on average. Now, one of the comments I got the other day, and I wanted to clear up the air with this comment particularly because it's what a lot of people believe. This is from Mike ABC 5355. Mike says, stock photography was good long ago. Today it is a waste of time, a scam that gets photographers to provide photos for free. Okay, we don't provide photos for free. You can if you want to. Adobe gives you an option and they pay you $5 a photo to put them in their free gallery for a year. Other agencies allow you to do free photos to get traction, but if you want to download them on any particular size, you do have to pay. They're not completely free. They sell cheap, but they're not free. Now, is it a scam? Is it something that was good long ago and today it's not? It's a waste of time? I'm making $10,000 to $15,000 a year. I don't think it's a waste of time. If you calculate the cost of your equipment and photography costs, you're not breaking even. You're spending your money to provide photographs for somebody else's benefit. I bought a camera to shoot stock photography. I knew nothing about photography. I liked the idea, so I went out and I bought a camera just to shoot this, to shoot stock. I wasn't that good at the beginning. It took a lot of trial and error, but in about 2 to 3 years in, stock photography had paid for my camera. I paid for 4 or 5 good lenses, L-glass, good quality lenses, and everything was paid for. Now, if you look at the props I was using and I'm still using, what do you think the cost on some of these props are? This photo, for example, has made me over $1,000. It's a glass with cranberry juice. This photo of the bear, over $1,000 as well across the agencies. It cost me $20 to go photograph this bear. These sticky notes, little simple sticky notes, $2,000 from that session. $1.50 maybe for the sticky notes and the pen to write on them. So you don't have to get crazy with props. You can shoot, we all have stuff at home that we can make photographs of. If you can find a concept, there's a B. If you can find a concept, chances are you're gonna sell that photo. You just have to worry about the numbers. What else is it? We went back and forth with this comment, so there's more. He also says, if you're spending more than you're making, your net is negative. I'm not spending more than I'm making. That's why I'm using little things that we have at home, little props that I could use to get ideas to generate more money. Since you're making pennies for every sale, making 10 to 15,000 is wishful thinking. It's not, it's my experience. When you consider cost of equipment, time spent adding keywords, editing photos, traveling to locations, and all the other costs, you're spending more than you're making. Not really. My equipment is at home. I use a small corner as a little studio, take pictures, lighting equipment that I bought using stock. So no, I'm not traveling to locations. Today, I'm out here. I've done photos like this. When I go with Bambi, like photos of Bambi in the tent. The tent was 20 bucks. I bought 3 tents, different colors, different shapes. They are selling. I haven't recovered the money that I paid for the tents yet. I know it's gonna take me a year or two, but those photos are selling because I make the best out of every situation. That's what I encourage you to do. If you go somewhere, take some photos. If you have a pet like Bambi, bring her and take photos of the pet. Try to maximize the potential on the things that you already have so that you're not investing on expensive props where you don't know if you're gonna recover that investment. Keep it simple at the beginning and then you can branch out. I edit one photo, I synchronize the changes, and then I just do small tweaks. When it comes to keywords, now I'm using Stalker Studio, which helps me with keywords and it helps me upload to all of these different agencies. When I started, I was doing everything manually, one by one. Now things are way easier because we have all these tools that can help us. So I can do a lot more in less time. And then it says, sadly, some people are getting played to be as photographers into a system of modern slavery. No one's paying me to say this. Stock photography agencies don't care if I say this or not. They're not paying me to say anything. This is just me sharing my experience because it's worked for me, and I really hope it works for you too. Now again, hope is a very dangerous thing because I have hopes and dreams for this channel, for my agencies. But I also have one foot in the ground. I'm not getting rid of my clients yet. I actually just came back from a trip where I had to do a client photo shoot. And I'm not getting rid of them yet because, like I said, the income I'm making from YouTube It's not as much as I'm making from Adobe stock. So you can see why having multiple revenue streams is important. Now here's another comment from a different video that I think is very important, because if you follow my channel for a while, you already got the answer to this. And this is Carlos Lemons. He says, I saw your portfolio. Some photos are regular at best. I don't think you're in a position to critique any photo. I said it before, your best photos, don't upload them for stock. Keep your best photos for your own personal use, for selling prints, for selling different things that you can do personally. If you're doing something specific for stock, then absolutely upload those. You don't have to be the best of the best to make some money with stock. Like this guy says, my photos are regular at best. That's fine. That's what people are buying. Come here, Bambi. Come here. Photos of Bambi in her tent. They don't have to be the best. They're out during bright daylight in the shade, finding a spot. Those are selling. They don't have to be incredible photographs. You see these images in magazines that just look wow with incredible photoshopping and things like that. They don't have to be that way. Pictures of a pen on a white piece of paper, a notepad. Those are useful photos. Photos of a cup of coffee with motivational things written on a napkin. Those are stock photos. Those are things that sell. You don't have to get way out there. You don't have to think you have to be the best of the best out there. Anything can sell as a stock photo. I know these are negative comments. I try to turn them into a positive. And these guys are not watching my videos. They're not subscribed to my videos. So I don't want to make more videos of this style. I want to make videos that you guys want to watch. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to follow up with videos answering those questions. Again, thank you very much for everyone that's using my Amazon links. To all the channel members, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye. I hope that cleared up a little bit of the misconceptions with the creator economy in the stock photography world. 2024, this is still viable, especially when we're doing video and we're doing so many other things because we like what we do. Bye. Come on.